the dreamer. This is Prakash, a first-generation entrepreneur running a small pharma manufacturing unit in Badi. He's not a big player yet, but his vision is sharp. To scale up, stand out, and build a respected brand in India's booming pharma industry. But like many dreamers, he's battling an invisible enemy, chaos. The chaos begins. Orders are delayed, raw material either overstocked or missing. Sales orders get miscommunicated, returns are mismatched. Even Prakash doesn't know his real profit margin. And now, auditors are visiting next week. Prakash feels lost. He wonders, is this how I'm supposed to grow my business? The wake-up call. Why ERP? That night, over a quiet cup of chai, Prakash makes a decision. I need structure. I need clarity. I need an ERP. But not just any ERP. He needs one that understands pharma. After exploring dozens of tools, one name keeps surfacing. Finaman ERP, tailor-made for pharma manufacturers, built for challenges exactly like Prakash's. The transformation begins. Finaman in action. Sales and order management. Prakash's sales team now handles orders like clockwork. Real-time tracking, auto approvals, order locking, returns, all managed in a click. Earlier order edits over WhatsApp caused disasters. Now, it's all transparent, all tracked, all Finaman. Production and inventory control. Production is finally predictable. Barcode scanning removes guesswork. Prakash knows exactly where materials are and how much. Formulas are entered once. The ERP scales them for every batch. Before, errors were common. Now, barcode-based entries ensure zero mistakes. The quality control. QC is rock solid. Every input is tested. Expiry, LOD, assay, each zones all automatically tracked. Even product artwork is stored and linked. No more label disasters. That mistake, never again. Dashboard and shop floor view. Prakash no longer has to ask. Everything's on screen. Production, machines, maintenance. Before, he called the floor manager 5 times a day. Now, one glance says it all. Automation and backup. Finaman auto sends invoices, POs, dispatch slips via WhatsApp or email. It also backs up all data, every single night. Prakash once lost a week's billing to a system crash. Now backups run silently in the background. Third-party manufacturing. Prakash manufactures for other brands too. Earlier, a total mess. Now Finaman handles it cleanly. One BMR with brand-wise BPRS, all digital, all traceable. Costing and vendor control. Prakash finally knows his true product cost, raw materials, labor, machine time, all calculated precisely. He only buys from approved vendors now. Quality issues almost gone. Before, 2 vendors quoted different prices. Now Finaman shows him full rate history. He chooses smartly. Accounting made easy. Prakash's accountant relaxed. Why? Finaman's accounting system works automatically. Sales, payments, collections. Every entry flows on its own. No duplication, no missing data. E-invoicing, one click. GSTR1, GSTR3B, auto-generated. TDS and TCS, calculated, compliant, complete. Earlier, his CA chased him for data. Now it's live, it's in the system. And best of all, clients and vendors get WhatsApp and email reminders for payments. Weekly Excel reports are mailed automatically. Live profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow are available on his phone. He doesn't just guess numbers now. He knows them. Every minute. Every day. Industries served. Finaman ERP isn't just for pharma. It's also driving efficiency in cosmetics, plastics, surgical and disposables, food and beverages, construction hardware, and beyond. A complete integrated smart solutions. From purchase to payroll, Finaman ERP gives full control like purchase and vendor management, sales and order booking, production and batch management, quality control, inventory and warehouse, maintenance, GST, TDS, TCS, e-invoicing, human resources and payroll, business intelligence dashboard, WhatsApp and email alerts. All connected, all real-time, all pharma ready. Why Finaman ERP? Prakash learned one key lesson. Growth isn't about more people or machines. It's about clarity, structure, control. And that's what Finaman ERP gave him. Your process, your control, your ERP. Be like Prakash. Take control. Book your free demo today and see what's possible with Finaman ERP.